Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to marketing, just click on it. You go down here. So you click here on mobile marketing tools, just click on it. You come to next step here. You come here to spaces search visibility, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here spaces search visibility disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.